Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Evie.
And I'm Aylin.
And today we will be making some yogurt slime.
Here are the ingredients.
You'll be needing some yogurt. It's okay if it's flavored.
And we'll also be needing cornstarch to make our slime.
And a small bowl would be fine.
With a spoon.
Okay, let's get started on making the slime. So first we're gonna add about a cup of yogurt. You don't need to add all of it.
And we'll also be adding some cornstarch.
We're just gonna keep adding it. If you add 1 cup of yogurt, add about 2 cups of cornstarch. Just keep mixing it.
Once it starts turning into slime, you can start using your hands.
It's going to actually look like slime. It's actually edible slime.
But it doesn't taste good. If it seems a little sticky, you can still add cornstarch.
Maybe a bit messy, but that's okay. Kind of like Play-Doh, but it's still very fun to play with. Thanks for watching our video, and if your yogurt isn't flavored, you can always add food coloring.
See you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe.